In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Twitter tracker in Axiom Pro. If you're not already signed up to Axiom Pro, you can sign up using the link in the description of this video, and that will give you 10% discounted trading fees and also the ability to potentially receive airdrops from me in the future. If you're still using platforms like Bullex, Photon, or TrojanBot, you're at a huge disadvantage. Axiom Pro are constantly shipping out new features that don't exist on the other platforms, so I 100% recommend making the switch over to Axiom. Now, once you've signed up to Axiom Pro using the link in the description, you want to come on over to the Twitter tracker, which is located in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. That'll open up this page where you can click on Custom Feed and you can add different Twitter handles. They also have the option to add from this list, which is the top subscriptions. So this list shows you all of the popular Twitter accounts that people are subscribed to on the Axiom Pro platform. So all of the other traders using Axiom, they quite like to subscribe to these Twitter accounts, and you can click on them and that will take you over to their Twitter account, and you can review if you want to also follow them as well. So here you would just click the plus and that will add it to your own list. But if you click on my list, this is your current list, so you can just search for different Twitter usernames that you'd like to add to this. So you can just go through your Twitter, see who you're already following and entering their usernames. As you can see, I've done this already, so I have a few Twitter accounts in my list. And now if I click on the Twitter alerts, I have my own custom Twitter feed within the Axiom Pro platform. So once you've made your list and that's done, you might want to refresh the page and then that will allow you to see your Twitter feed. I had to refresh before I was able to see this. But what you can then also do is, once you click on the Twitter tracker here, you can click on the 6 dots up here and you can snap that to the side of your screen. So this is really useful because you can be scanning on Deck Screener here and you can keep an eye on the feed to your right. What I like to also do is open up the wallet tracker. So now I have my wallet tracker on the left hand side of my screen and the Twitter alerts on the right hand side. So here I can see in real time what everybody is buying, and I can also see Twitter alerts as well at the same time. So this is really useful. This is why Axiom, I think, is the best platform to be using for this, because the user interface is so clean and you can just see everything in real time without needing to have a whole lot of tabs open and flicking through all your different tabs. So that is how you use the Twitter tracker function in Axiom Pro. If you found this video useful, please leave a like rating and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.